Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is July 27th, 2022. I'm getting ready for the Cross Pennsylvania Adventure Trail. It consists of about 650 miles across Pennsylvania from Narrowsburg, PA to Lake Erie. If I got that wrong, I'm sorry. It was developed by Arthur Wojcik, I believe, and I'm part of the group on Facebook. It's called Cross PA Adventure Trail, and I hate my fucking wife right now. Alright, anyway, since I can't talk inside the house, I came outside. So, like I said, this is a Cross Pennsylvania Adventure Trail. It's mostly back roads, off-road, all that stuff through state parks, state lands, and everything. I'm traveling on my F850 GS. I'm leaving tomorrow morning. I actually have to install my tires. I think they're Trail Max Mission 4s or something. I couldn't find someone to install them here in New Jersey, so I'm actually going to about 30 minutes from the start. It's called Rusty Palmer's in Pennsylvania. It's like a 2-hour and 20-minute drive from here. Tomorrow's supposed to be raining, I don't know, thunderstorms or something. Yeah, and today I'm just getting ready, packing. You'll see that soon. Let's get to it. Alright guys, here she is. This is my trusty F850 GS. It's a 2019. I've upgraded a few things since my last MABDR. Wider pegs right there. This is not a lifted brake cover, but it's wider, so it should be easier on the trails. I've also installed this wider kickstand peg. We are wirelessly charging with this Foxwolf AliExpress special. It just replaced the GPS mount since my phone is my GPS. I horribly installed this windshield attachment. As you can see, destroyed my original windshield. China special there. Alright guys, so I just installed this air cushion for my booty. F850 isn't the most comfortable for long rides. I mean, I've done 8 hours, but it's rough. Anyways, now I gotta get this onto this. Alright, so once you adjust the Moto bags according to how the website tells you to, you're gonna undo all these straps. You're gonna lay this across the back of your bike. Sometimes I randomly connect the straps for storage. Make sure no straps are underneath, caught, trapped, or anything like that. Alright, so once you lay the bag across as such, I believe there's 5 mounting points. 1 attaches right there. 2 right in the middle. 3 right back there. 4, I actually attach it right through here. And 5 right through there. Alright guys, so once you got it around back of this, through here, put it through these teeth over here, you tighten this down, and you're gonna roll this. Roll it really nicely. Moscow provides these Velcro straps that keep all that tighty. I never had it really come loose or anything like that. You're gonna do that for each piece. The Velcro piece for this one's actually right back here. Just pull this flap up and then you tighten it to itself right there. Finished product of these back ones, all strapped down. That's how you mount the rackless 80 on the GS. On the left hand side, we're going to start out with my clothes pile. Above that, we got a folding chair. Above that, we got a tripod. To the right of that, we got some deets. To the right of that, we have some bungees. On top of that is my media bag. Below that, on the left hand side, we have my pillow. We have a sleeping pad. And then to the right of that, we have my gloves. So we're going to the second row. Now we got my bike cover, tarp, cooking supplies. To the left of that, we got the tent. Alright, underneath the clothes, we got a blanket. To the right of that is my toiletries, along with some food underneath that. To the right of that, we got adapters to my jump starter for the motorcycle. Then a camelback. Then we got a extra phone mount and a sleeping bag. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, just fucking kill me, man.